Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to prompt using Hedra. In order to do so, first off you're going to want to make sure that you are on hedra.com, and once you're there then you're going to want to select create. Once you select create, it will bring you to a screen that's similar to this, where on the left hand side you can change your audio. You can either write your own text, you can record your voice, or you can upload a file. I have uploaded a file already, and I have already added my character here in the middle. And then once you add your character, then you're going to click generate video over here on the right hand side in order to get your result. As far as prompting goes, this is where the prompt box is. It's going to be here in the middle right under your character, and you're going to want to use as specific prompts as possible. However, for Hedra, generally speaking, you don't have to use too many prompts, just because for the most part your characters are going to be talking. It is a good idea to add some context for your prompts. So in this case, we have a woman at a movie premiere and she's talking. We're just going to enter that in just to make sure that Hedra is completely clear on exactly what it is that we're doing. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and click generate video over here. We can see the result by clicking on the play button. And it looks like we can't see the result. Okay, there we go.
Hey everyone, check out Electrolume AI Radio for slick tunes and mind-blowing content. See you there.
So that gives you an idea of the results of when you put in your character and your prompts. In this case, we just went with very simple prompts, and the results are pretty phenomenal. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.